Boys are at school. And I'm gonna lay down for a little nap before Mary calls. All right. Now it's time to actually be productive. I was sleeping and just kept having a bunch of random dreams. One of them was something like Mary and I were gonna go to Joe Rogan for therapy. But I had a morning meeting to get to. And so, and then we had to get the boys off to the airport. So we just had all sorts of stuff going on. And I was trying to come up with the best way to make it all work out. And so I was trying to drive back to get Mary to take the boys to the airport while I went to the meeting, and we meet back up there, and then the dream ended. Where the hell does my mind come up with this stuff? And somehow it wasn't even actually an appointment. It was, we were driving down the street and we saw Joe Rogan driving in his vehicle. I said, hey, can we talk to you? And then he was like, yeah, come to my building. And yeah. What a dream. Mary's working. She said that at the plant, part of something made a loud boom, and now half the plant has no power, or most of the plant has no power. So, yeah, that's none of my problem. Not her problem either. Workplaces. Boys got them up and going out the house. They made it to school on time, Mary. And Sean's been now sitting in the front seat because he doesn't want to be squished by Skylar. So I can always get behind eating a banana and peanut butter. I don't know, there's just something about it. It's an extremely good combo. Always gotta have my daily banana. I saw something like, what the hell was it? If you ate one banana and 2 slices of bread per day, you would have your daily recommended amount of fiber. Fiber intake, super good for you. Keep that in mind. This thing was saying that, I think it was some doctor guy that was talking, saying that it can help reduce your chances of getting colon cancer, as long as you get your recommended amount of fiber per day. I'm all for that, or not getting that. Alright, meeting was over. Mary's workplace almost got most of the stuff back up. And I'm gonna eat my food and start working on all my morning stuff. I already did a couple of it. Got a little bit more to go. So, banana time. So we've got 2 boys and some hefty people in the family. And between the bunch of us, we put a hole into the couch. Well, a hole popped and spring popped and all that jazz. And my mom went out and she bought a board to fix it all. Well, to cover it up. And then I wrapped a black blanket around it so you never notice. But this couch right here actually has a board with a blanket because of that hole. So this couch is super firm now. And every once in a while, Jax likes to go exploring. Jax. And he's somewhere down there. I think I just saw a paw. Jax. You having fun? So I propped the cushions up for that board so that he can go explore. And he was like he just went from one point in the house to the other point in the house, just full blown sprint. And then he's over here on this couch trying to like push himself into the hole in the back. And so then I opened up that and he came running over because he's in a attention / exploring mood. But yeah, when those cushions are on it, you never really notice that it's broken because the board just fits so perfectly. But it is just a board. We'll get new couches eventually, but we're in no rush for that. Not until the boys get out the house, so we don't have to worry about the boys jumping all over the damn couches. Especially Sean, he'll jump on the couch when he's watching anime. He gets really excited. And plants are starting to turn yellow. Or at least that one is. Oh, hi, Jax. And then he was playing with the squirrel as well. I don't know where he put that thing. He always loses it. And then if we ever find it, then he gets to play with it again. So he's lost it like under the futon downstairs. He's lost it under the couches. He's lost it under the stove. He just puts that squirrel everywhere. You done there? Ew. So yeah, this thing doesn't really get noticed because it's hiding semi-decently under the cushions. The other one is starting to break, and we'll probably have to do the same thing to that and just make the couch last until the boys get out. And then we can swap 2 for 1 because we don't need 2 couches when the boys are out the house. And if they ever decide to come over, they can sit on the floor. I'm perfectly fine with that. Right, Jax? Yeah. You agree to everything. Alright. That's what I was doing. So I heard thumping and I come up here and I don't see anything, but what I do see is an absolutely massive blue jay. 2 of them, in fact. And those little guys are huge. They flew off, but man, those things were huge. They're bigger than my fist. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what the thumping was. Alright, back down I go.
Alright, I am home from work. Sean went and got the boys. Little Sean's doing laundry because he doesn't have any more clean pants. Because he didn't want to do his laundry over the weekend, so that's on him. We had a explosion at work today. That was fun. I just heard a big old boom, and I'm like, what in the world happened? And we're like, should we run? Should we keep working? The one of the circuits blew at work. So, yeah. Needless to say, we're working this weekend. Except for my line. It was running all day. There's like two or three lines that we're still running. But I still have to come in Saturdays because one of the lines that we make parts for had no power. And they were just getting ready to start working on it as soon as we left at 2 o'clock. So that was fun. Kind of sucks that I gotta go in and run parts for them. On Saturday, I was hoping to have the whole weekend off. Oh well. I get Sunday and Monday off for the holiday, but really hoping for 3 days. I am getting ready to edit the video for today, so that'll be up shortly. What time is it? It's 2:56. Alright, I'm gonna get on this. Alright. Sean was gonna make chicken stir fry for dinner, but we don't have stir fry vegetables. So he defrosted the chicken, cut it up, and then we realized we didn't have the. So we just put the chicken in the fridge. I'll make it tomorrow. Maybe I'll have him pick up vegetables on his way home from work. And I was like, okay, let's just make chili. We got everything for that, right? So I brought the meat up to defrost that. And then realized we have no beans for the chili. So I'm like, well, we can't have that. So I'm like, okay, what else could we have? I'm like, we could have spaghetti. No, because we don't have spaghetti sauce. Because I had bought 4 jars, we would have had it, but those 2 jars smelled rotten the other day. That's why I threw them out. So it's alright. Just order pizza at this point. Because we have nothing. We need to go and get some more food. I'm pretty sure, oh, this isn't even. Pretty sure we could make like tuna helper or something like that. Or even just have soups and sandwiches, but like let's just order pizza and call it that, and then I'll have him pick up some stuff on his way home tomorrow from work. So he's currently downstairs ordering the pizza online. Alright, Sean was downstairs ordering the pizza, and I was like, I don't really want pizza, so he got Chinese food. So we have, that's for Skylar, the egg rolls. That's mine, General Tso's, or General Tso, however you want to say it.
Food.
That and that's for little Sean, and the sweet and sour. That's a different.
Both of these are for me.
Yeah, you gotta eat it all. So.
This is a different container that the sauce is, and it's a different color.
New. Yeah, it's more orange.
Yeah, it's supposed to be red.
It's a little darker usually.
Probably because there's shade on it.
Maybe.
This is the actual color.
Did you get duck sauce? Oh yeah, I like duck sauce in my rice. So we are gonna eat this. Yeah, he loves his egg rolls.
Ow, 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 ow.
It's cheaper on us because we get the 3 dinners that come with the 3 egg rolls, so he just eats the egg rolls that comes with the dinners. So technically we're just buying 3 meals for 4 people, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's time to eat. I'm eating, hold on. I was figuring you were gonna start it.
You figured wrong.
Anyway, his mom just came over and brought a bunch of snacks because I told the boys I wasn't buying pop and she bought pop for them. So she bought them
Red pop
strawberry
Pop.
Big K
and root pop.
and an orange soda from Big K's, our Kroger store, and root beer from Big K. And then she also got me these flips. Can't even see me. It's stuffed with peanut butter. And some ice cream bars and some chips. So I'm not buying snacks and drinks like that anymore. I'm trying to save money and get out of this debt. Which he's annoyed with because he'd rather have snacks.
Yep.
But it is,
But we gotta do what we gotta do.
yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. So I gotta end the video and get my butt to bed because she was over here for a good hour and a half just talking. So I'm gonna end the video here. They're gonna watch anime and I'm gonna go to bed. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.